In this lesson, we'll create the login page used to access the member-only blog. The login page will be displayed if the web page detects no active session variables indicating that the user is signed in. So if we click on blog and the system detects that we're not signed into any account, you'll see we receive a message indicating that we must be logged in to view the blog. This here is an example of the login form. It requests the email address and password in order to authenticate the user. If the user provides an incorrect combination, an error message will be displayed, authentication failure. If the correct combination is supplied, we'll redirect the user to the blog. We'll also be modifying the blog so it displays a welcome message, as shown here. We'll also be modifying the blog so it displays a welcome message, as shown here, and also a logout link that terminates the session. Once logged out, the user will be directed back to the home page, and a message will be displayed indicating that the user has been successfully logged out of the system. The login page will also have a button with a link to the registration form in case the user is not yet a member.